Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the top dramas of 2020 part 2. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. Number 1. Startup. Susie Bay and Nam Jo Hook fans will want to tune into this drama centers around a group of young individuals who are all eager to start their own businesses. When Bay and Nam's characters So Dal Me and Nam Do Sen respectively are chosen to join Sandbox, a tech accelerator for entrepreneurs, along with Susie's sister Woon In Jae. The three are pitted against one another in a contest to be the best. Little does the heroine know, however, someone important in her past, Han Ji Pyong, played by Kim Son Ho, has her back throughout this startup journey. Viewers will be rooting for Dalmi to end up with Dosan or Ji Pyong. Number of episodes 16, streaming on Netflix. Number 2. Search. Military search troop members, including Ko Dong Jin, played by Jang Dong Yoon, and Son E Rim, played by Crystal, try to fight against a mysterious creature and struggle to get away from the DMZ. They build a comrade through their struggle. Kom Do Jin is a sergeant with only a little time left in the army. So E Rim is an elite officer and she has a secret about her birth. Number of episodes 10, streaming on Rakuten Wiki. Number 3. Extracurricular. Oh Ji-soo, played by Kim Dong-hee, is a quiet, straight A student whose only goal is to be able to go to the college. Because his dad's a gambler and his mom abandoned him, he provides for himself. He runs an illegal side business. He comes close to earning enough for his college tuition, but things take a turn when his classmate Bae Gyuri, played by Park Joo-hyun, finds out about his secrets. Number of episodes 10. Series is streaming on Netflix. Number 4. 365 Repeat. 10 people who dream of having a perfect life travel back in time to 1 year ago. They are able to reset their lives there, but mysterious case takes place that threatens their life. Lee Hyung-jo, played by Lee Joon-hook, is a detective and has 7 years of work experience. He gets an opportunity to travel 1 year into the past. He enjoys his life that has been reset, but he learns that the people who have traveled back in time like him are involved in a mysterious case. He tries to reveal the truth behind that. Shin Ga-hyun, played by Nam Ji-hyun, is a webcomic writer. She has published her popular webcomic series Hidden Killer for the past 3 years. Shi Ga-hun is a work alcoholic and sensitive perfectionist. One day she has a sudden accident. The accident turns her life into hell. At this time, she receives a proposal to travel back in time to 1 year ago. Shin Ja-hun resets her life, but she faces an unexpected case. Number of episodes 24. Streaming on Rakuten Wiki. Number 5. Stranger 2. After a successful season 1, Stranger Drama has released a season 2. This crime thriller has political tussle, power showdowns as well as some tinge of horror. Number of episodes 16. Streaming on Netflix. Number 6. Tale of the Nine-Tailed. You might want to keep the lights turned on for this Lee Dong-book's new show because some scenes are a bit scary. From some minor scenes that make you shudder, however, the story largely revolves around his character Lee Yon, a mythical fox known as Gumiho, and a documentary filmmaker Nam Ji-ae, played by Jo Bo-ah, who were once lovers in the past. The foxes adopt human appearance but have special powers. Circumstances in the present bring the two on a treacherous journey that involves Ji-ah's parents' mysterious death and the two rediscovering their love for each other. Number of episodes 16, streaming on Rakuten Wiki. Number 7. Do Do Sol Sol La La Sol. The story revolves around the beautiful Go Rara, played by Go Ara, who is a pianist but now is bankrupt. She meets Sun Woo Jun, played by Lee Jae-woong, a free-spirited, kind person who doesn't have a specific dream or goal in life. The two develop a friendship at a private piano academy, La La Land, in a country village, and that ensures Next is a typical for a rom-com type shows. This series is light-hearted and fun to watch. Number of episodes 16, streaming on Netflix. Number 8. Missing the Other Side. A village holds spirits of missing deceased people. A search to find out the missing bodies and discover the truth behind their disappearance occurs. Kim Wook, played by Ko So, is a smooth talker and a good-looking man. He commits frauds to make a living. One day he happens to arrive at Duan village where the missing dead gather. He soon faces numerous mysteries. Jang Pan-jo, played by Hyo Jun-ho, is a mysterious figure. He secretly looks for missing people. He is the connection between Dunho village and the outside world. He becomes a fraud partner with Kim Wook and he solves cases. Lee Jong-ae, played by An Ho-sin, is a Kim Wook supporter. She is a white-hat hacker out to gain social justice. She works in a low-ranking public officer at a community center as her day job. Number of episodes 12, streaming on Rakuten Wiki. Number 9. Graceful Friends. A group of couple in their 40s live in a new city. One of the couples are An Gung Chul, played by Yoo Jun Sung, and Nam Jung Hae, played by Song Yoon A. They enjoy peaceful and ordinary days, but a murder takes place. Since then, their peaceful days changes. Number of episodes 17, streaming on Netflix. Number 10. Was It Love? If you are in the mood for a romantic drama, tune into this storyline about a single mother who has not had a boyfriend for 14 years, but suddenly 4 romantic love interests appear in front of her. No A-jin works as a producer of a movie company and faces potential courtship by a novelist, actor, CEO, and a PE teacher. Who will she choose from this diverse pool of men? Number of episodes 16, streaming on Netflix. Number 11. My Unfamiliar Family. Lee Jin-suk, played by Won Mi-kyung, and Kim Sang-sik, played by Jung In-young, are parents to 3 kids. Daughters Kim In-ju and Kim Un-hee, and son Kim Ji-woo. Now that their children are all grown up, the flaws in the family begin to show, especially when Jin-suk decides she wants to leave her marriage and start anew. Number of episodes 16, streaming on Rakuten Wiki. Number 12. Hyena. Yoon Hae-ji, played by Joo Ji-hoon, is a lawyer and who is absolutely confident, but he meets his match in Jung Gyum-ja, played by Kim Hee-son. Gyum-ja is still struggling with her career and desperately needs a win. She is willing to do anything, including break a few hearts and causing personal damage to her opponents, but Hae-jin isn't going to go down without a fight. Number of episodes 16, streaming on Netflix. Number 13. The Penthouse. The drama is the story of a woman who strives to achieve her goal of entering high society by becoming the queen in the 100th floor penthouse in Gangnam, which is the pinnacle of success in her eyes. The series is about the story of a real estate and education war, a desire to be number one. It depicts the solidarity and revenge of a woman who had no choice but to become evil women to protect themselves and their children. Number of episodes 20, streaming on Rakuten Wiki. Number 14. Lie After Lie. Ji Eun-soo, played by Lee Yoo-ri, finds her life entangled by a series of lies, each of which uses knife-like precision to destroy what she holds dear. Found bloody at the scene of her husband's murder, Eun-soo is accused of killing him even though she protests her innocence. She had plenty of reasons to stab her husband, which viewers learn in triggering sequence of domestic violence, but she denies her part in his death. Her husband was the heir of a wealthy family headed by a monomaniacal mother who uses her immense power to construct a complicated web of lies, ensuring that Eun-soo's side of story is never heard of. Episodes 16, streaming on Rakuten Wiki in selected countries. That's all in this video. Please click on like and subscribe to find out if I will review one of your favorite dramas in the next episode. I'll be back soon with another video. Until then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.